Talking about the process of reproduction in the case of cockroach. Now, sperms were produced by the male cockroach and sperms were glued together to form a structure which are called as spermatophores. Now, these spermatophores came out of male cockroach from the male genital pore, and male cockroach leave these spermatophores on the female cockroach. The sperms which are present in the spermatophores, these fill the spermatheca of female cockroach. After this, female cockroach produces the ova. So at one time, 16 ova are present. 16 ova are arranged in two lines of 8 ova each. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 ova comes in one line and another 8 ova come in second line. So 16 ova are produced at one time. Now, female cockroach will release the sperms which are stored in spermatheca on these eggs or ova. So these will become fertilized. After these are fertilized, a structure will be formed, pouch shaped structure will be formed, and that structure will be called as oothecum. So that is why we say that fertilized eggs are encased in capsules and the capsules are the oothecae. So this is the one ootheca. Talking of the color of oothecae, these are dark reddish to blackish brown structures. Each oothecae measures 3/8 inch or 8 mm long. Female cockroach drops or glues these oothecae to a suitable surface in a crack or crevice where there is high relative humidity and near a food source. In the life of female, one female produces 9 to 10 oothecae in all, and each oothecae contains 14 to 16 eggs as we had seen. Now, in the case of cockroach, there is indirect development. In indirect development, there will be larva which will be present, and we call that larva as nymph in the case of cockroach. So, development will be through this nymphal stage. After this, talking about the type of metamorphosis that is present. So, in cockroaches, parametabolic condition is there, and in this condition, nymphs look much like the adults. So, very much changes are not required when nymph changes to adult cockroach. When nymph converts to the adult, it undergoes molting process, and this molting occurs approximately 13 times. The major difference between nymph and the adult is that nymphs, all stages of nymphs, they will have wing pads but will not have wings, but the adult cockroach will have wings. So this is the difference between nymph and the adult.